Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use a cartography table in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. Firstly, we need to understand what a cartography table is. It is a workstation block which is used to create maps and copy or expand them. It is found in Cartographer, Villager, House, or can be crafted as well. In order to go ahead and craft it, all you need to do is simply go ahead and put 4 wooden planks and then simply put 2 papers on the top, and it is going to be crafted. Now, in order to go ahead and use it, all you need to do is simply go ahead and place it on the ground and right click it. Put 1 paper on the top slot to create a blank map. Once you simply go ahead and create it, you can move the map to your inventory and you can hold the map in your hand and explore to fill out your entire map. You can simply go ahead and copy a map, zoom out on a map, or expand a map, lock a map, and also add a banner. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.